Hi everybody. Hey, this is crazy. It's April 15th, snowing, freezing rain. I'm trying to build a pole barn here. Come on. So anyways, this is part 2, and a couple days ago I did have a chance to break up the sod and scrape it off, so keep watching. I'll show you how I did that. I hope you subscribe, and I have lots more videos coming up. As soon as the weather breaks, I'm gonna get started setting poles and framing it in. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and keep watching. Thanks. Well, I used the John Deere with the tiller on it to break up all my sod here. Back blade on the Farmall and pull all this loose black dirt off to the side so I can put some sand down for the barn. This will allow me to reuse this dirt on top. Problem is the back of my barn is going to be almost 2 feet off the existing grade compared to the front, flush with the driveway right now. So I'm going to need a lot of fill brought in, a lot of sand, and then I'm going to probably have to get a couple, maybe 20 yards of black dirt on top of this black dirt that I'm going to scrape off. So I want to make sure the sod is good and broken up, so we don't have too many clumps to deal with when I go to spread it back out.